What's up, team? It's Sierra B naturally, and today we're going to be using this Jamaican black castor oil with rosemary to create a beautiful style with this very simple flat twist look here. And I'm just gonna make my hair look as full as possible. If you have thin natural hair, then you know how important it is to make your hair look as full as you can, even though your individual strands are thin and fine. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Basically, you just want to start by carefully fluffing it out with your hands. Because we use the flat twist to start this off, there's not a lot of definition, so no worries there, but we want to definitely try to keep as much of the definition as possible. So we're just kind of slowly separating the hair, lifting it, pulling it gently. These clips have been sped up for you so this video doesn't become too long, but I'm definitely just taking my time and just moving the hair from the twist very carefully and just kind of letting them flow wherever they want to go for the time being, and just allowing my hair to just kind of form a shape. Once I get the twist down, we're just pulling it apart, separating here and there, and you can slowly begin to see the look come together. We're not there yet, so we definitely have to trust the process, because right now it's still looking see-through. And so I'm going in at the root and kind of lifting and then kind of fluffing out the ends, and then the same in the back. For me, I believe the back of my hair is longer, but it's also thinner, whereas the top of my hair is thicker, but it's shorter. So you just kind of have to work with what you got here and know your hair. Here I'm just going in with a wide tooth comb and fluffing the roots. I'm not pulling it all the way through to the ends, just teasing it a little bit there and just kind of letting it flow. And so that's definitely helping to make the hair as big as possible. We're going for big and fluffy here, kind of like more of an afro twist out, if you will. But yeah, so this is definitely coming together. It's already looking better. You see me smiling a little bit, and I'm just trying to get it to a particular way that I want it to be. Yeah, so here it is. So give me a second. Now we're gonna go in for my afro looks. I like to have baby hair, but not like completely just tamed baby hair. I just want it to be like a natural look. So I'm using this wide tooth comb and some mousse to help me with that. Just forming my natural curls and having them just have a little bit of organization, but not too much. Just let them kind of do what they do. And I don't want them laying flat on my head. But yeah, so super cute already. I'm definitely feeling it. I went and grabbed some more, either that was oil or some more of that mousse on my hands. And then I just kind of used it to help shape my hair. So as you can see, it's definitely coming together. I think it turned out really pretty. My hair is definitely thin, so that is gonna be what it is, but it does look a lot thicker than what it actually is when you take these measures. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Listen, I'm Sierra B, and I am out. Blessings.